Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. I just have a short video to share. I received the other day the Diamond Press Watercolor Collection Celebration. And this is the next to the last one. The last one is called Harvest. And it will be here supposedly, unless they change, in October. And then we're done. And I've really enjoyed these. Let's get it open. There's been, quite a few. At least 6 auto ships, maybe more. This one is called Celebration. So it's all about birthdays, I think, if I recall. I'm sorry for the noise. All right, so as with all of them, we've got the black and white watercolor paper. This month's marker is, what's the color? Metallic watercolor, sweetest pink. So that looks like a good one. Each one comes, I can't even talk again today. My gosh. Each one came with a watercolor marker, watercolor palette, and then the stamps. So let's take a look at the stamps next. If we can get them open. And, all right, here we go. All right. We've got, this calls for a celebration, time for cake. We've got cupcake with a strawberry, cupcake with a cherry, and some candies, flowers, little star, oh, look at this. We've got, look at this banner, hip hip hooray. Nice big cake. This cake, look at that cake's gonna fill the whole front of a card. And so will this one. And I believe the flowers will too. These are really nice size. Let me get this one out of the way. Yeah. Very nice. Nice sizes. And then one more. Look, we got that huge balloon. Takes up the whole front. Candles. Let's party. Got a banner that'll go all the way across the A2 and another star. So those are really nice. I love the size of them. And then we've got our little watercolor palette. I just love these little tin cans. Celebration. I love that they have the little palette. You can do all your little watercolors so that at a glance you can see. This one comes with, what does it say, candy apple, vermilion, I think is, I'm not sure if that's pronounced right. orange yellow, shamrock green, violet shimmer, iridescent glitter, sapphire glitter, ice blue shimmer, Olympic blue, ultramarine blue, dark purple, and blue gray. And see, especially with these dark colors, they're hard to tell. So when you use this, you'll be able to tell exactly what color it is. So, and you know, these weren't very, I think they were like maybe $24 or something. They weren't much, all things considered. So, and then of course, it always has the little insert so that you know to take the ring off of the pen or the marker. And then some tricks, tips and tricks. Shake your marker before use. Spray your finished artwork with hairspray, aerosol hairspray to secure. I've never heard that for watercolor. I've heard it for other things, and I do have a spray can of hairspray, but not for watercolor. Colors ocean and twilight give an iridescent glitter effect on white paper. And then it talks about diluting and creating a wash. And this came with each one. Watercoloring, stamped images, paintbrush, tips and tricks. So anyway, this was one of my, this in the mixed media that was a couple of years ago, or one of my favorite auto ships of theirs. So all right, so that was it. See, I promised you it was quick. Let me know in comments if you have the watercolor auto ship and how you like it, and if you've used them. I've only used one. I know, we've talked about this before. I have a problem. At least admitting it, they say, is the first step. And I have been in the middle of purging. So, and I'm almost done with my purging and my organization. And it's been a long haul to get there. So, all right, so that's it for this time. Thanks for stopping by. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, it would be wonderful if you would. You can hit the subscribe button, and then you can choose whether to hit the bell. The bell will send you notifications to let you know when there is a new video to watch. Or you can just go rogue and just come and visit whenever you want to, without notifications. It's your choice. Everybody's, time is different. I have notifications on all the YouTube channels that I follow. Do I follow that notification all the time? No. But at least I know I'm not going to miss something that I really want to see right then. So, your choice. Thumbs up, that's the like button. That's an important one. If you like a video, please hit that button, because it's the only way that YouTube knows that you like a video, and then they will promote it more, which is super important for little channels like mine. So, and shares. You can easily share a video with a friend or a foe if you want. It's up to you, but it's there in case you want to use it. So, all right, so that's it. We are heading down into the weekend. I hope everybody has a good day, good weekend. Hopefully it's not too hot or too anything, just nice. So, all right. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.